Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your PC like a pro with the 3-2-1 rule. The idea is simple. Keep 3 copies of your data, store them on 2 different types of media, and make sure at least 1 copy lives off-site. Off-site can be a cloud account or a drive stored in a different physical location. We'll keep it simple and practical, so you can set this up in minutes. This approach protects you from accidental deletion, hardware failure, and even disasters that affect your whole location. First, choose your backup method and destination. If you prefer the cloud, services like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox can automatically sync your important folders so changes are backed up as you work. Many professional backup apps also offer cloud targets and let you set bandwidth limits and version history. If you want something local, connect an external hard drive or use a network-attached storage device for fast, on-site backups. For the most comprehensive safety net, consider system imaging with tools like Macrium Reflect or Acronis. A full image captures your entire drive, letting you restore the whole system, apps, settings, and files, in one step. Next, set up the backup so it runs with minimal effort. Windows includes File History and the Legacy Backup and Restore, Windows 7. To turn on File History, open Settings, go to System, then Storage, choose Advanced Storage Settings, select Backup, and pick your drive. To create a system image, open the Control Panel and find Backup and Restore, Windows 7. If you use third-party software, install it, choose exactly what to protect, and create a schedule that matches your workflow. For a quick one-off copy, plug in an external drive and drag and drop your key folders, documents, pictures, projects. Then safely eject the drive when the copy finishes. Finally, follow best practices. Stick to the 3-2-1 rule by combining, for example, a local external drive, a cloud service, and your original files. Schedule automatic backups daily or weekly so you don't have to remember. Regularly test your restores by recovering a file to a temporary location and opening it to confirm it works. Encrypt sensitive data, especially when using the cloud or any portable drive. And revisit your plan as your storage grows or your tools change so your backups keep pace with your needs. Do this, and you'll have a reliable, professional-grade backup strategy that's ready when you need it most. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.